Finally here, I want to share with you kind of this secret site that is specifically for ClickBank. And what it does is it posts all of the new products that are kind of currently being released, and then also some of the top products that are actually being sold right now. So this is a CB engine here, and you can find a lot of the top selling products on here as well. And it says here, products we highly recommend promoting because these are top offers. One of the things that I love about ClickBank is their affiliate commission percentage. Sometimes the affiliate commissions can be up to 100%. So 75 to 100%, we're talking about if somebody buys a product for $67, you're going to be able to keep $67, right? The entire product value, because what ends up happening is these guys are really smart and really good at what they do as far as their marketing, right? And so they're paying $75 for that customer, but then they know that they have additional products and services that they can sell to that customer, right? Because they're in now their customer network, right? They're in their email list, and so they get to continue to market to them with different products and services and make money on the back end. So that's why I love ClickBank. If you reach out to these sellers, a lot of them will work with you. They'll want to give you higher commissions because they know that the more products that you sell, right, everybody's going to make money. They're going to make money. You're going to make money. But more importantly for them is they're going to get a customer that they can continue marketing to for life. Okay. So coming in here, we can see some of the top ClickBank vendors. We can look at the ClickBank Insider reviews, reoccurring products, right? A lot of the statistics. And so really this platform here, cbengine.com, is great to look at what other ClickBank sellers are doing, what are people recommending, what are the hot kind of brand new products that are just being released that nobody is really even knowing about, right? So you can kind of get in there before everybody else kind of starts promoting these products and be able to get kind of that first-hand experience and beat people, because you're on here and you're looking out for these new and upcoming products that you can get in at an early stage and be promoting there and making your affiliate commission. So that's it for this video here.